Cyclic Cosmology. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most profound, beautiful, and I dare say, magical ideas to ever emerge from the human mind. It's an idea that challenges everything we think we know about existence, about time, and about our own place in the cosmos. We are going to talk about cyclic cosmology. For centuries, the grandest question we have asked is, where did it all come from? Our dominant story, the Big Bang, gives us a powerful answer. A single, monumental event, a flash of light and energy from which space and time themselves were born. A genesis, a beginning. But what if I told you that was only part of the story? What if the Big Bang was not the beginning, but merely a chapter? A moment of rebirth in an epic that has no first page and will have no final chapter. This is the heart of cyclic cosmology. It proposes that our universe is not a one-time event, but part of an endless, timeless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. A cosmic heartbeat echoing across eternity. Let's embark on a journey. Let's imagine the life of our universe, not as a linear story, but as a single breath in the life of a being so vast we cannot comprehend it. We live in the springtime of a cosmic cycle. After the fiery, dense moment we call the Big Bang, the universe exploded into being. Galaxies spun into existence like whirlpools of stardust. Stars were born in brilliant nurseries, lived their epic lives, and died in spectacular supernovae, scattering the very elements of life, carbon, oxygen, iron, across the void. Planets coalesced, and on at least one, life awoke to look up at the heavens and wonder. It's a glorious, vibrant spring, but like all seasons, it must change. Right now, our universe is in its summer. But a strange summer it is. An invisible force, which scientists call dark energy, is causing the cosmos to not just expand, but to accelerate its expansion. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread baking in an oven, but the oven is magic, and it makes the dough expand faster and faster. The raisins, our galaxies, are being pulled apart from one another at an ever-increasing speed. For billions upon billions of years, this will continue. The universe will become a vast, cold, and lonely place. The stars, one by one, will burn through their fuel. The brilliant galaxies will fade. The night sky, which we see today as a tapestry of light, will grow dark. The last embers of stars will cool into black dwarfs, and the universe will enter a deep, dark winter, a state known as the heat death. A timeless, silent, and frigid expanse where nothing happens and nothing ever will again. Forever. It sounds like the end, doesn't it? The ultimate, final silence. But in the world of cyclic cosmology, this is not the end. This is merely the universe gathering its breath for the most spectacular transformation imaginable. In some older cyclic models, they spoke of a big crunch. After the expansion, gravity would finally win, pulling all of existence, every particle, every whisper of energy, back into a single, ultra-dense point, a cosmic seed containing the entire history of a universe compressed into a pinprick. And then, another Big Bang, a new universe born from the ashes of the old. It's a beautiful, symmetrical idea, the in-breath and the out-breath of God. But modern physics suggests something even more bizarre, more mystical. Perhaps the end of our universe isn't a crunch, but a reset. A transformation so fundamental that the very concepts of space and time break down and are reborn. Imagine the universe in its final state, after trillions of years. It's cold, dark, and almost perfectly uniform, a vast, featureless sea. And in this perfect uniformity, the very fabric of space-time itself becomes unstable. It begins to ripple. Think of a still, silent pond, so still it becomes a perfect mirror. And then a single quantum vibration, a flicker of potential, appears from the void. This vibration, born from the ultimate silence, triggers a new inflationary burst, a new Big Bang. Our cold, dead universe becomes the womb for a new, fiery one. The end becomes the beginning. In this view, the Big Bang is not a singularity from nothing. It is a phase transition, like ice melting into water, or water boiling into steam. Our universe didn't appear from a void. It transformed from a previous state, a previous cycle. Now, if this is true, a breathtaking question arises. Can we find evidence? Are there scars, or perhaps memories, from a previous cycle imprinted on our own? Scientists look for them. They look at the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang that fills all of space. It's the oldest light we can see. Could there be patterns in this light, like concentric rings, caused by the gravitational waves of two supermassive black holes colliding in the previous universe? Could we be seeing the ghostly fingerprints of a cosmos that existed before our own? It's a staggering thought, that the light from the dawn of our time might carry encoded within it the final moments of a time long past. It would be the ultimate message in a bottle, sent to us by the universe itself. But to make this cycle truly endless, we must answer a difficult question. What happens to all the information? All the stories, all the lives, all the stars and galaxies from the previous cycle. Are they erased, or are they, in some way, preserved? This is where the ideas become truly futuristic, bordering on the magical. Some theories, like the one I explore in depth in my book, Holographic Multiverse, suggest that our universe might be a holographic projection from a boundary we cannot see. All the information that makes up our 3D reality is actually encoded on a 2D surface at the edge of everything. In a cyclic model, this holographic information isn't lost. At the end of a cycle, as the universe is reset, this information is scrambled, translated, and imprinted onto the boundary of the new universe. It's like a cosmic hard drive being reformatted, but not wiped clean. The data is still there, but rearranged, becoming the fundamental blueprint for the next cosmos. Think about that for a moment. The spiral dance of a galaxy in a universe trillions of years ago might have imprinted a pattern that, in our universe, became the genetic code for the first living cell on Earth. The death cry of a star in a bygone cycle might have become the seed for the laws of physics in our own. We are not just stardust, we are the recycled echoes of cosmic events from an eternity ago. This changes everything. It re-enchants the cosmos. We're not living in a one-off, accidental universe, rushing from a beginning to an end. We are part of an eternal process, a never-ending dance of creation and destruction. This idea resonates with the oldest spiritual traditions of humanity, the Hindu concept of the days and nights of Brahma, where the universe is created and dissolved in cycles lasting billions of years. The phoenix rising from its own ashes, the Ouroboros, the serpent eating its own tail, symbolizing eternity and cyclic renewal. Science is now arriving at the same profound truth that mystics and sages have spoken of for millennia. The universe is alive in a cosmic sense. It breathes. What does this mean for us? For you, sitting there, watching this? It means that your existence, right here, right now, is part of this grand, eternal rhythm. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of a star that died in a previous cosmic cycle. Your consciousness, your ability to love, to wonder, to ask these very questions. This is not a fleeting spark in a cold, accidental universe. It is a fundamental expression of the cosmos itself, a note in a song that has been sung for an eternity and will be sung for an eternity to come. There is no true death, only transformation on a scale so vast we can barely conceive of it. The universe forgets, only to remember itself again in a new form, and we are a part of that remembering. This journey of cosmic discovery is far from over. Every day, new data, new theories, bring us closer to understanding our true place in this infinite cycle. If this vision of an eternal, recycling cosmos captivates you as much as it does me, I have two requests. First, if you enjoyed this journey, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the conversation in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What does an endless universe make you feel? Awe, wonder, a sense of peace? Let me know. And second, if you want to dive even deeper into these ideas, to explore the holographic principle, parallel universes, and the very nature of reality itself, I invite you to check out my book, Holographic Multiverse. In it, we go beyond cyclic cosmology to explore how our reality might be a projection, a cosmic code, and what that means for consciousness and existence. It's a mind-bending trip to the edges of modern physics and metaphysics. The link to purchase the book is in the video description below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Remember, you are not just in the universe. The universe is in you. It always has been, and through the endless cycles, it always will be. Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering.